welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And today I'm going to be opening my October BOXYCHARM. It just arrived, and we are in the middle of a pretty bad storm. It's not like a bad storm all over the area, even just a couple miles in. It is a bad storm that is out at sea that is causing really high tides. I woke up this morning, the tides were coming over the seawall a little bit, not in front of my house, but like a little bit over here, which makes this a little scary and a little dangerous. We have one road in and one road out coming out to the neighborhood, and if the tide gets high, which it's expected to do at 10 p.m. tonight, and there's a full moon, and there's a full moon coming I think in 2 days, you add those things up and we get flooded. The main road coming in gets flooded, and we're then an island. I guess I'll play some island music.
Hey guys, Editing Kara here, and while I wanted to put in some fun island music, I cannot do so because the internet has been knocked out by the storm at this moment that I'm editing, so I thought I'd share some photos with you. And this photo right here is from the last storm, the last big storm, and that is the ocean coming over the wall into our front yard. So there's basically a municipal wall, seawall, and then there's our own private wall. So the ocean was coming over into our front yard, and this can get really dangerous. So if you look at this photo, this is my neighbor's yard. This is her front yard. She did not have a private seawall, you know, like we do. And this is the aftermath. This is, you can see the white boat that is up on the rocks. This is the same neighbor's yard. So you can see all the grass right there, which was covered by ocean. And the white boat that is up on the rocks, and the red boat is pulling the wreckage off of the rocks, because that's what you have to do, because it becomes an environmental hazard because of gas and oil. But the storm is over. There was no damage. The water did not come over the walls. Today is Friday night, and let's get back to the video. And I'm going to upload this as soon as the internet comes back on, but I don't know when that's going to be.
But it's actually not fun at all because we're trapped. And the National Guard and the cops have to be down at the main road to make sure that people aren't trying to drive through that standing water and get hurt, and also to prevent people driving out here, because like the National Guard has to send trucks out here to like literally go two blocks over to like rescue my neighbors and stuff. So we're a little bit sitting up higher than some other houses, and we've always done well in the past. Well, I'm gonna get into BOXYCHARM, but here, do you want to take a look at what's going on right now? Let's take a look at what's going on right now. You can see that this is low tide, okay? And that's what we call white caps, when you can see the gray water with the white on top. White caps is an indication of wind, excessive wind. And again, this is low tide, which is totally fine, but high tide's supposed to hit tonight at 10 p.m. and for me it's actually scary because you can't see what's going on outside if the water's coming over. It's a little scary and dangerous, so I've been very nervous all day, And I'm so glad my BOXYCHARM came because we're going to get into it and I'll take my mind off of the scariness that's going to go on behind me. Yay! So this came. Let me give you, now that I've given you the weather update, let me give you my box number. It's 18. And as we know, there were a bunch of variations. There were like all these main products that were in my spoilers and my spoiler videos before. And then I released the other video that showed that there were so many more products. A lot of them being repeats from the past, but some of those are turning up in people's boxes. I did see someone get the Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter. So there will be people getting some of those, but I was made aware through the, what do you call that? Through the email, I couldn't remember the word email, that I was getting Sassy Siennas. So I was really psyched about that because it gives you like some corally colors over here. And recently, you know, the past few months, I've been thinking about that I did want to get like a coral based little palette going, since I didn't think I had anything in my collection like that. So let's see, some people opened theirs, had breakage, me, no breakage. So that is them. And all the names are on the back. I won't bore you. Very pretty. All 5 are mattes. I'm really happy with this. You had you had a possibility of getting one of 6 of these guys. There were 3 that I liked. There were 3 I would have been a little bit bored with, and I got one of the 3 that I like, so I'm really excited about that. And then there was the collaboration palette, and frankly, I haven't seen anyone get the collaboration palette in their box shop. And then we had our choice item, and I chose the Iconic London Prep Glow Spray, and you shake it up and it does all these pretty marbly things. And have not used this, and some people say it's scented, so I don't know if I'm going to like the scent or not. I'm a little sensitive to scent, so here goes. Oh, I missed. Okay, so far so good. Sometimes with like florally scents, I just get a headache. You know, I'm not trying to be a pain in the butt, but sometimes I am. But so far so good. Little florally. I'll just have to see, you know, do I get a headache from it or not? But I think it's beautiful. This pearlized shade. You could spray it and then apply your makeup, or you could use this after finishing your makeup. So I really hope that I like it. I don't know if you can see that I'm pearly yet, but the big point for me, I just hope that the scent doesn't like give me a headache, because I really do want to like it. Okay, that's number 2. Number 3, I knew I was getting this. The Hank and Henry mascara, and I've never had a mascara which is the tight line, which is like the teeny tiny little wand, and I'm one of those people that I have like next to no lashes down here and in here. They're there, but you can barely see them, so I think having this super skinny little side is going to really help me. And I'm really looking forward to this. It's in the shade Clout, which is black. And I'm not going to open it now because I have a few mascaras already open. And then I got this. This is the Hollywood and Vaughn. Oh, very fancy. Kohl black eyeliner. So, you know me and my black eyeliners. Well, I have a cup. This is my cup of eyeliners. And there's that many. So most of them are black. There are some brown shades. I'm not so sure this is gonna fit in the cup. I don't want to buy a new black eyeliner cup, so maybe it'll go in a giveaway. I'm not quite sure, but oh no, it's getting kind of crowded in the eyeliner house over here. That might go in a giveaway. And then I got the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. I've never used the Mellow products before, but I do love brow gel. I'm wearing just the Benefit today. I find it's like super easy. Like if you just have to like run out of the house, you know, like if your house gets attacked by the ocean, you just have to run out of the house, you could just throw some brow gel on real quick, or if you're running out the house just to go to Walmart like normal people. So yeah, I will be using this. So I will not be opening this one now because I have a couple of Benefit ones, brow gels, and I just want to get through those since those ones seem like they're on their last legs. So they're just about ready, they're just about dried out, and it's like almost time for them to go away. So if you want to subscribe to BOXYCHARM, if you do so in October, it will be $21 for the month, and you get about 5 full-size items, and you also get the ability to use the charm room and the add-ons. And if you use the code TRICK or TART, I'll put that right here in my link down below, then you will get a free additional $45 Tarte face palette. Also, wanted to talk to you a little bit about BOXYCHARM charm room and add-ons. I was lucky enough to get this ColourPop Element of Surprise as a charm room item. It popped up in there. I shouldn't say pop up because, you know, there's Boxy pop up. But it appeared in the charm room. I saw it. I bought it. And then I did put it on my community tab. So for you guys that are subscribed to me, you will see like a notification from me, a little message that says, hey, new items in the charm room, or charm room's open, or add-ons are open, or, you know, things like that. And a lot of people like it. It helps people. So I was lucky to grab one of these, and then the problem was, like, within 20 minutes this was gone. So haven't tried it out, and did not come broken. But let me tell you, BOXYCHARM got this out really fast. This came yesterday. So this was not the super recent charm room. It was the one just before. But it came very, very quickly. So didn't come with the box, just came separate, which is actually kind of more convenient because they can get things out to you more quickly that way. So I was very excited about that. And yeah, guys, that's it. I am like this close to 4,000 subscribers. Thank you. Please share this video if you know people who love BOXYCHARM, or if you know people who like to watch ocean disasters, possibly wash my house away. No, it won't get washed away. And wish me luck here. I might need it because there's only 1/2 bottle of red wine in the house. And if the main road gets washed out, then yeah, it's not gonna be fun. So wish me luck here with this scary ocean storm coming in, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye, guys.